Stop. Before you work another day for money, watch this. What if everything you learnt about money was wrong? Two fathers, same city, opposite advice. One died broke, one died a millionaire. The difference? Just one simple idea that the school system never teaches you. I'm about to reveal the secret that changed Robert Kiyosaki's life and millions of others. By the end of this video, you'll see money completely differently. Your brain will literally rewire. Stay till the end because the final lesson will shock you. Let's go. Part 1. The Two Fathers. Robert Kiyosaki had two dads. His poor dad, highly educated teacher, good job, always stressed about bills. His rich dad, barely finished school, owned businesses, totally relaxed about money. Poor dad said, study hard, get a safe job. Rich dad said, learn how money works, create jobs. Poor dad said, money is evil. Rich dad said, no money is evil. Both loved Robert, but only one understood wealth. Young Robert noticed something strange. The smart one was always broke. The uneducated one kept getting richer. Why? Part 2. The Game-Changing Truth. One day, Robert Dad dropped a bomb. The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. Robert was confused. Rich Dad explained the rat race. You study, get a job, earn money, buy stuff, get bills, work harder, get raise, buy more stuff, get more bills, work even harder. It never stops. Meet John. Earns 3,000, gets a raise to 4,000, buys bigger house, better car, now needs more money, works harder, trapped forever. This is 90% of people. Part 3. Assets versus Liabilities, the game changer. Rich Dad taught Robert the secret the school never tells you. Asset puts money in your pocket. Liability takes money out of your pocket. Simple? Yes. Life-changing? Absolutely. Example 1. The car. Guy saves 10,000, buys car. Needs fuel, repairs, insurance, car loses value. Money going out. That's a liability. Example 2. The land. Another guy saves 10,000, buys land, rents it for $200 a month. Value increases. Money coming in. That's an asset. Mind blown yet? Here's what's crazy. Most people think their house, car, and fancy clothes are assets. Wrong. They're liabilities eating your money. Rich people buy assets first. Rental properties, stocks that pay dividends, businesses, skills that earn more. Then they buy luxuries with the profit. Part 4. Breaking Free. Robert asked, what if I lose money investing? Rich Dad smiled. The poor fear losing money, so they stay poor. The rich learn from failure and try again. The 5-step wealth plan. Track everything. Write down where your money goes. Start tiny. Even $10 weekly adds up. Learn daily. Read, watch, ask questions. Buy assets first before buying luxuries. Reinvest profits. Make your money multiply. Change your words, change your life. Poor people say, I can't afford it. Rich people ask, how can I afford it? See the difference? One shuts your brain down, the other opens possibilities. Part 5. The Two Emotions Controlling Your Money. Rich Dad revealed the enemy, fear and greed. Fear keeps you in a job you hate, scared to take risks. Greed makes you buy stuff to impress people, creating more bills. The solution? Knowledge. The more you learn about money, the less fear controls you. Think like an investor, not a consumer. Consumer gets 1,000, buys phone, clothes. Investor gets 1,000, buys stocks, starts side business. 10 years later, investor is free, consumer is still broke. Part 6. The Final Secret. After years of lessons, Rich Dad shared the ultimate truth. The richest people give back. When you help others, create value, share knowledge, success multiplies. You build connections, you feel fulfilled. New opportunities appear. Robert realized wealth isn't just money, it's freedom. Freedom to do what you love, spend time with family, help others. The moment you stop learning, you stop growing. Powerful outro. Your future starts today, not tomorrow, not next year, today. Start small, stay consistent, learn from failures, dream big. The only limit is the one you create. Two fathers, two mindsets, two completely different lives. Which path will you choose? Drop "I'm ready" in the comments if you're done with the rat race. Like this video, subscribe, let's build wealth together. Your time is now. Make it count.